How to apply Uber Eats promo code. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply Uber Eats promo code so that you can get a discount. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, let's see how you can get Uber Eats promo code. So head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Uber Eats promo code. Here, different sites will appear. You can head over to any one of it. Simply tap on the site. As you can see, different codes and offers are available here. Scroll down and you will get to see more. So tap on any of the promo code. Once you tap on it, the promo code will be visible. Now simply copy the code. Once you have copied, go back and head over to your application Uber Eats. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, head over to your account at the bottom right of the screen and then go to promotions. Here, the option of add promo will be visible to you. Simply tap on it. Once you click on it, it will open up the interface where you will be able to apply your promo code. So all you have to do is paste the promo code that you have just copied and then click on apply. Once you click on apply, it will show you that the promotion has been applied and show you the amount that you have just saved. So that is how you can apply Uber Eats promo code so that you can get a discount. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.